How's it going, everybody? My name's Wally, and bought two cars today from the auction, and we're going to go through and take a look at them, and then I'm going to walk you through a couple episodes of what I did to take them apart and how I fixed them. So let's take a look at our first car together. Alright, first one is this 2010 Toyota Tacoma extended cab. It's got this gray color, really good tires on it, pretty clean car overall. Not a lot of damage at all. Minor nicks and dings. The auction loves to circle and exaggerate things like a tiny little scratch just like that. But it's nice to know that they're looking for these types of things. So as I walk around this car is very clean. Looks like it's been very well kept. If we look inside here, we've got two airbag deployments, passenger side airbag, driver side. Went ahead and ordered a new dash, and I'm going to go ahead and replace that along with the airbag. Another thing that's really notorious with these cars is the seat belts jamming up and locking. So I'll go through and show you how to take this panel off, how to take the seat belt off, and I usually send it out to a third-party company to fix them and reset them, as well as reprogram the airbag module. Looks like the other seat belts also locked, but overall this is going to be a really easy fix here, and I'm going to take you through the whole process so that way you can kind of see what it's all about. So let's go ahead and take a look at the car first. The reason why I bought this car is you can tell the bumper reinforcement. This is the one that attaches to the frame rails of the vehicle. It's actually been unharmed. You can see the primary damage is above that. So that gave me a really good sense once I looked inside that I'm going to have minimal to none frame damage. And which means that all this plastic stuff here, the hood, the grill, maybe the condenser, maybe the radiator, the headlights, you just take it all off, straighten out a couple little skinny little sheet metal pieces, and just everything just goes right back together again. So I'm going to take you through the whole process here. And let's take a look at the second car we've got. 2017 Honda Fit LX model. Sometimes I wonder how these things become salvage. I mean, this one's a really clean car, matching tires. Again, body's really clean. Car doesn't look abused in any way, no scratches. I think a female was driving it. There's like a little mermaid sticker on the back. That could be a good thing, you know. So this car probably wasn't abused. Some people might think otherwise, but I think that this car is really clean. You could tell the person who owned this, the lady who owned this, took care of it and drove it well. Let's take a look at the inside. This is what's interesting too, is that no airbag deployment here, so that damage in the front didn't penetrate far enough to damage any of the airbag sensors. But it did, you know, from the impact, did lock up the seat belt, so we'll go ahead and get those unlocked and taken out, as well as the ABS module there as well. Pretty clean car overall. Doesn't look like anyone smoked in either car that I got. But we're going to go ahead and take you through the process. So let's take a look underneath the hood on this one. This one, again, pretty cool, pretty easy. This one, the reinforcement is damaged. You can see there. Reinforcement has been damaged. I haven't been able to tell yet 100% if the frame has been affected. But we'll know once I take this apart. We'll look at the frame rails. We'll make sure everything's nice and straight, or if it needs to go to a frame shop. But we'll double check this one too. This one, same thing. Bunch of stuff that just bolts right off. Core support, bumper cover, headlights, hood. So I'm going to take you through these, and we'll go ahead and just see what it takes. All right, stay tuned.